Hello guys, welcome back again in the same outfit. Do you want to see my outfit? I'll show you. These are shoes. I think I will never ever wear these shoes, this type of shoes, but anyways, I posted a video about these Studio Ghibli anime bookmarks and I just received them a couple of days ago. I would love to show you guys them. One I showed in the previous video, which was from the house moving castle. It was Sophie with doing this with Calcifer, the fire, and I will show you the rest, the 15 in this video, because I want to. Okay. I have only watched 2 of the Studio Ghibli movies, so I can't tell which ones they are from, but I know that this is from Spirited Away. I have not watched Spirited Away. Unfortunately, I need to watch all of them, but I'm savoring them for the future. I know I'm going to love all of them. I have just watched Whisper of the Heart and House Moving Castle. Both were excellent, and I'm really excited to watch. I really want to watch The Wind Rises and Spirited Away, and the recent one which released, which was The Boy and the Heron. But I want to read the book as well, which it is from How Do You Live? I want to read that book as well. I don't know which this is from, so if anyone knows which film this is from, they can tell me. This is from House Moving Castle. This is Calcifer. I don't know which this is from as well. I don't know. But this bookmarks has like these in the back, which I think is really helpful. Like things you learned from this book. Is this from The Boy and the Heron? I don't know. Looks like it. But there's a girl in the bookmark. I don't know which this is from. I don't know which this is from as well. A meal. Studio Ghibli movies tend to have like really hearty meals in them. This is really starry, but I don't know which this is from. Again, I don't know which this is from. Is this from The Boy and the Heron? I don't know. I think everything is from The Boy and the Heron. I don't know. This is from, I think, the My Neighbor Totoro one. I have not watched it, but I know that this is Totoro. Two cats. I don't know, Studio Ghibli movies tend to have strong connection with cats. Probably because I think Japan has so many cats. I just got 3 cats, 2 cats fighting and 4 cats the other day. I will include that video. Please enjoy it.
এটা একটু ওদের গাড়ির উপর উঠে লাভ মেরে হবে না চুপ হয়ে গেল। আর এইটা এদিকে কি সব করে বেড়াচ্ছে সোনাটা।
ওই তো ওইদিকে চলে গেছে।
বেটা ওখানে
দেখো আমি যখন তখন ধরে থাকবো ততক্ষণ কিছু করবেই না, চুপচাপ হয়ে থাকবে, যেই বন্ধ করে দেবো তখন ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়বে। কি স্লো পেসে যাচ্ছে দেখো, আমি বুঝে উঠতে পারছি না কি করতে চাইছে। আর একটা চলে এসছে।
বাস প্রচুর বাহিনী ওদের বাড়িতে।
ব্যাস হয়ে গেল।
বাচ্চা পেয়েছে যেগুলো আবার বড় হয়,
হয়ে গেল, যুদ্ধ হয়ে গেল।
প্রজন্মের পর প্রজন্ম।
দেখেছো, তুমি বললে কিছু করবে, কিছু করলো না।
সব লোকজন বেরোচ্ছে না, মুড নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে।
ঝগড়া করার মুড আবার নষ্ট হয়ে যায় না এই কখনো।
বাবা এই দেয়াল থেকে ওখানে লাফ মেরে ইরাম করে আসলো সেদিনকে।
ওরম করেই যায়, তুমি দেখো নি তো সেই
কি বিভৎস মানুষ
সানসেটের
যখন
মাথায় উঠে দেয় লাফ মেরে।
পুরো এরকম জাম খেয়ে এরকম আমরা জাম চলে
আরে
আসতাম।
এমার এমার বুক শেলফ আছে না, সেটা কত উঁচু উঁচু লম্বা লম্বা, যে তার মাথার থেকে জিনিসপত্র ফেলে দেয় উঠে গিয়ে। I don't know which movie this is from as well. You can tell me if you know. I wanna be here. I don't know which movie this is from, but I wanna be there. Howlett Sophie from House Moving Castle. This is from The Wind Rises. I want to watch this movie, but I think it's very sad. Also, The Grave of the Fireflies I think is very sad because it is set around the Second World War. And this is, I think, is from Kiki's Delivery Service. I think I want to watch this as well, but I want to read those books as well at the same time. So I'm waiting. I haven't read House Moving Castle, but I would love to read it. So thank you so much for watching my cat and Studio Ghibli content. I love all of these. Which one is my favorite if you ask? I don't know. Probably the starry one, but I don't know which it is from. I think this one is my favorite. Or probably, no, the starry one. The starry one is my favorite. Or this one. This represents me. I don't know. So, and all of them. I need to put these in all of the books that I'm currently reading, which will be next video. I can't put all of this in one video, and the video is going to be so long. So, I hope to see you in this same place, same attire in the next video very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay motivated, and goodbye.